Today I'm going to be opening these sweet slime with butter. Bubble cap with butter. And this one is strawberry with banana. Strawberry. Oh, I almost just dropped this table. So let's open them.
Yeah.
Now let's get this big charm out if I can. Bye. Now that I'm back, you want to see the charm? 3, 2, 1. It's a little strawberry. Da, 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 da. Put that in the bowl. The bowl. Let's open the banana. Banana. Wait. Look how smooth that is. Look how smooth it is. Look how smooth this one is. It's not even smooth at all. You guys can see. Now it's smooth, kind of. Like, look. This one's kind of smoother. Let's get them out. Bye.
That was
Back, guys. So, wow, I got this little banana. And just to let you know, these are scented. Go to Hobby Lobby and get them now. They're in the toy section. So rude. Just kidding. And look how satisfying the stretches are. Feels nice, but it's kind of hard. Smells good, they smell good. They are at Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. And then I'll show you what's after. Now. Just look at that. That is so big. That is so big. Why is it so